Guys, it's chapter dinner night at the sorority house, and we're cooking for about 60 girls. So we're doing a rigatoni bolognese, and I'm going to start by getting my bolognese going. I just got a hot pan. I threw down a little bit of oil, and I got my onions. Next is the garlic. We're just going to kind of soften these up really quick. Got a quick little light brown on those onions, if that's okay. We're going to throw in our ground beef. I got like 15 pounds of ground beef. That should be enough for about 60 people. That's about 4 ounces a person, and that's before all that fat kind of melts out of it. So we're going to give this a nice stir. We're going to get that all browned off. We're going to go ahead and start seasoning this up. First thing we want to do, guys, is pull out all that fat. I'm using a ladle because there's a lot in there. So I go ahead and get the fat out of there, and it's time to flavor this thing up. So I'm going to start with some Italian seasoning. That's a great base. Put a whole bunch of that right down in there. Next, we're going to go with some oregano, and then I'm going to add a little bit more thyme as well. Once we got those in, big pinch of salt, another pinch of pepper. Give that a little stir. And guys, I'm going to go down with some red wine. Got a classic 2024 boxed Cabernet Sauvignon. It's going to be perfect. It pours out slow, so bear with me here. We're just going to load this thing up. Follow that with our tomato sauce. Guys, that's about it. Give this a big, nice stir. We're going to let this simmer. Give it about an hour. Let the tomatoes kind of break down. Let the acids cook out. Let all those flavors come together. Guys, I got my garlic bread ready. I also have my salad station set up. Just some greens and ranch and a little Parmesan. So I get my pasta. It's my rigatoni. Give it a little tossy toss with our meat sauce. And guys, everything's good to go, ready to serve 60. So they're going to get a scoop of this pasta. It goes down on a plate. Nice little scoop of the greens. Guys, I'm going to hit that with a little ranch dressing, Parmesan cheese, piece of crispy garlic bread, and that's it. Simple dinner, out the door. What a treat. Cheers, everyone.